Ever wonder why you snore? Well, let me break it down for you. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat relax and slump down, which makes your airway narrower. As you breathe, the air has to squeeze through this tighter passage. That forced airflow makes the soft tissues in your throat vibrate, and that vibration creates the rumbling sound we call snoring. But of course, not everyone snores. People who drink alcohol or are extremely tired tend to snore more because those things make the throat muscles relax way too much, obstructing the airway. If you're carrying extra weight, that excess fat can build up around the neck and physically press down on the airway, making it narrower. And finally, having a stuffy nose. It forces you to breathe through your mouth, which is basically the perfect recipe for snoring to show up.